Two held in murder of 81-year-old sentence man. Hi again and welcome. This is lling 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to lling 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. lling 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is lling 7 TV News Report. The St. Anne's police have arrested two persons in relation to the murder of 81-year-old retired chef Norman Campbell of Goshen District in Brownstown in St. Anne. Shortly before 2 p.m. on Sunday, Campbell was found unresponsive with what appears to be a wound on his head. The police were called and he was taken to the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Deputy Superintendent of Police Kelvin Francis told reporters on Monday that two persons have been taken into custody and likely to be charged with murder. Francis expressed condolences to the family of the deceased, saying the police community and safety branch will be providing counseling to the grieving family. The deputy superintendent is also urging persons with information on the murder to contact the police. Meanwhile, the police have intensified their investigation into the murder of Ocheria's businessman Orville Grant. Grant, popularly known as Bash, who was shot dead on Saturday night in Buckfield, Ocherias, when he was pounced upon by three men as he spoke with a friend. His licensed firearm was also stolen. A homemade firearm and several 9mm casing were also recovered from the scene. This has been lling 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.